So for seaming together garter stitch, what you want to do is, normally you would use a piece of the same colored yarn. Sometimes it can even be from the cast off or cast on edge, the tail end of that, but I'm going to use this contrasting color to help you see. So let's first identify these rows. I call them umbrellas and smiles. People call them all kinds of different things, but do you see how each row, like in between my needle, there's this wavy line? So that's the umbrella and that's the smile. And those are what we're going to be using on the edge to seam these two pieces together. So if you have to connect your two pieces, I would go up through that little loop. And to be honest, I'm not fussy about connecting these at the end. I think if they look fine, then there's no real reason that you should have to follow any certain rule here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is find the edge stitch of each one. And they're a little bit ugly on the edge. So that's why you want to be able to follow along and say, okay, this is a smile, umbrella, and then a smile. And what you want to do is put your needle in through the smile. And then over on the other side, that's where you want to find the corresponding row, which would be this one, and you want to go in through the umbrella. So umbrella, smile, umbrella. Okay. And then again, we see our smile here, umbrella, go in through the smile. And we don't want to tighten up too much as we go. We can a little bit later. There again, we have smile, so that's the umbrella on the right. It's another ugly edge stitch, ugh. Okay. Umbrella. Smile on the left. And then umbrella again. And now what we can do is tighten a little bit, like that. And again, if you had the same color yarn, you aren't going to be able to see this, especially when you flip it over to the other side. But then you just keep going all the way up. And one of the nice things too about the vertical stitch is that if one of your pieces is a little bit longer than the other, and I do mean a little bit, it can't be like twice the size, you can kind of skip one row every so often to get them back to the same size. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.